Mercado will be called for the offensive foul.
And once again, puro 6 years lang.
Sino yan?
CJ Isit.
Pang-ina na.
Pang-apat na draw charge na nakuha niya in this game. That's impressive defense para kay CJ Isit. Costly turnover.
And you've been mentioning, Coach Ronnie, to be a cerebral, a complete player, you work well on both sides of the floor.
That's correct. Something that coaches always want to teach, but definitely always hard to absorb for some of the players. You have to play tough on offense, you have to sacrifice on defense if you want to be a two-way player.
63-60. 6:21 remaining in this game. CSB hang on to a 3-point lead. Eriobo one-on-one with Taha. Eriobo umangat for a jumper. Kiss Karim. Cinco with the rebound. Gray asking for the ball. Cinco hindi pinakawalan.
That's a good foul. Only the second team foul para sa Mapua. Pero na home run opportunity para sa Blazers.
I thought Gray was open in the wings enough. Asking for that ball.
Minsan kasi, for the guards, kadalasan turo kasi jump stop sa free throw line. Pero minsan naman, may mga kasama ka, gusto nila early forward pass para makabuelo sila.
Different strokes talaga.
You have to find out the strength of your team. Good curl.
A miss by Romero. Agaw dito ng Cardinals. Gabo on the other end, and the lead is down to 1 again.
Ala Jinwell Torion. Ha?
Tola.
Yung circle move na yun ni Gabo. Once again, they threaten at 63-62. 14 big points para dito kay Gabo.
Almost another steal here by Gabo.
Look at this tenacious defense by Australia. And the bulilit crew of the Cardinals.
And this lower replay is brought to you by Smart. Jump into an all-access pass of awesomeness. Jump into Smart. Kulit bulilit. Mapua Cardinals.
63 points, 61 points in the first 30 minutes. That was the output of the Blazers. But in the last 4 minutes and 20, they have only accounted for one single field goal.
5:37 remaining in this game. Just a 1-point lead for the Blazers. Romero against Eriobo. 7 to shoot. 5 on court sa 3. Wala. Tapik ni Saitanan. Tapik ni Taha. Kuha ni Eriobo. Bigay kay Saitanan. Andoy has it. To Gabo. Mapua by 1.
Big time pass coming from Australia. The siege continues, and now itong Mapua has overtaken the Blazers with a humongous 14-2 last in the fourth.
64-63. Taha. Strong drive. Wala. Tapik ni Andoy. Pulo ni Gabo. Gabo on the run. Pinig packet ni Gray. Gray. Umangat at naman po niyang Blazers. 65-64. Great pick pocket move coming from Jonathan Gray. Preventing a Mapua fast break with 4:52 remaining in this game. Ito muna yung fast